Mr. Mohammad Bilal Patel from 8th A. I am a student of Abdullah Patel English High School. ये देश हिंदुस्तान है, हमारा अभिमान है। 1950 से बना इसका संविधान है। आन है, बान है, शान है, पूरे देश का ये मान है। इसकी पीढ़ियों की ये जान है। इतनी मेहनत इसके पीछे डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर का हाथ है। इनकलाब हम लाएंगे इस बुलंद आवाज से, संविधान से पंगा लेगा तो निकल जा समाज से। ये देश में आज 130 करोड़ की आबादी है, सबके मुंह पर एक ही शब्द हम हिंदुस्तानी है। जस्टिस, इक्वालिटी, सॉवरेनिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी, यूनिटी, लिबर्टी, ये हमारा दावा है, यही तो अरमान है। एक जूट का एक कलम से लिखा ये संविधान। Today is 26 November and we are celebrating Constitution Day. This day is celebrated to remember the day of adoption of Constitution of Day. Our Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the world. For the first time on 26 November, this day is a tribute to Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, the father of Indian Constitution. Thank you.
My name is Akar Madhya Mukar and I am from 9th. Today is 26 November and we are celebrating Constitution Day. This day is celebrated to remember the day of adoption of Constitution of our India. Our Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. Our Constitution came into force in 1950. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the world. This day was celebrated for the first time on 26 November 2015. This day is a tribute to Dr. Bhim Rao Baba Sahib Ambedkar, the father of Indian Constitution. This day is celebrated to spread the awareness about importance of our Constitution. Thank you. My name is Sherry Kusra Abdullah from class 9. Today we are celebrating our Constitution Day. Our Constitution has a heart full of pride. On 26 November 1949 and come into force of 1950. Our father of nation, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, was worked very hard for the future of our great Constitution. Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar did a great youth and great government, and the government of India is celebrated to spread the awareness about the importance of our Constitution. Thank you.
I am Adiba Khan from 9th, a student of Abdullah Patel English High School. Today we all gather here to celebrate the most important day, that is Constitution Day. Our country had adopted Constitution on 26 November 1949 and our Constitution come into force on 26 January 1950. Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar had written our Constitution and he is also known as father of Constitution. There are many people in our country who doesn't know the meaning of Constitution. This is the only reason that our country is still a developing country, not developed yet like America. We need to know about our Constitution because nowadays we are facing several problems just only because we are not aware of our Constitution. Our opportunities that our Constitution had given us. This day is celebrated to tribute all the hard workers who work hard to build our Constitution, our nation and the government of our beloved nation India. Thank you. Wishing you a very happy Constitution Day with heart full of pride and happiness. Thank you.